Understanding crypto wallets is essential for anyone looking to navigate the world of digital currencies. There are mainly three types: hot wallets, cold wallets, and hardware wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them easy to access and perfect for quick transactions. They are user-friendly and great for beginners, but they also come with risks, as being online makes them susceptible to hacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, providing a higher level of security. They are ideal for long-term storage of cryptocurrencies, protecting your assets from online threats. Hardware wallets are a type of cold wallet that stores your private keys in a physical device, making it even more secure. When choosing a wallet, consider your trading habits and security needs. For frequent transactions, a hot wallet is convenient, while a cold wallet is better for holding assets long-term. It's also vital to keep backup phrases safe and never share your private keys. By understanding these wallet types, you can protect your investments and make informed decisions in the crypto space. Start your crypto journey today by selecting the right wallet for you.